on this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the simplest way that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see they have animals and pets and a whole lot of different categories. You can see many of them. So let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see a whole lot of them. So whatever category that you are passionate about, you can just click on it so that you can find digital products to promote. The best part is that this particular website is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then promote digital products under any of these categories. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be promoting a product under dating, love and relationships. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here they have about 21 products that you can promote under this category. You can see the first one is his secret obsession. You can see right here the commission rate is 90%. In terms of money, you're going to be earning $32.41. That is the amount that you are going to be paid per every sale that you get. You can see there's another product right here. This one you're going to be earning $22.85 per every sale. You can see they have a lot of them, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to promote the first one right here, his secret obsession. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, sales page, so that you can see the landing page of the product. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the exact page that your potential customer is going to see before they purchase the product. You can see right here the product owner has a video that will educate your potential buyer before they purchase the product. You can see it right here. So when they click on it, they are going to watch the video, and if they like the product, they are going to make a purchase for you to earn money. In case you need resources to promote the product, you are going to click right here. So if you click on affiliate support page, you can get a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product for free. You can see right here they have banners that you can use. You can see right here they have email swipes, they have promotion links, you can see customer reports, that is PDFs. You can see they have reviews about the product and then many more. So if you want, you can promote this product. One thing I like about this product is that they have up sales products and down sales product. What it means is that once your potential visitor purchases the first product, the product owner is going to promote these products to the customers. Once they purchase any of them, you are still going to be making money. You can see they have a lot of different down sales and up sales products right here. You can see everything. You can see the first one, second one and the rest. So you are going to be earning a lot of money from one single customer that you refer to the product. So once you get to know the resources that you can use, if you want, you can use any of them. But in this case, I'm not going to be using any of the resources. I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use to promote the product for free. So what you have to do is that you have to come back. Once you come back on Digistore24, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. But before you copy the link, I'm going to show you a website that you can get free traffic to click through this particular link and then purchase the product for you to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, themilk.com. This website allows you to post articles for free, and the best part is that you are allowed to post articles under a lot of different categories. So when you come right here, topics, just click on it here. You can post articles about advertising, animals, you can see beauty, you can see right here relationships. This is the category that you are going to be using to promote our product. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on register. Once you click on register, you can create your free accounts by entering your username and then the password. You can also sign up with your Facebook accounts, Twitter, and then you can use your Google accounts to sign up for a free account. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log into my account so that I will show you everything that you need to do so that you can use this platform to make money for free without paying for anything. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see a lot of people who have posted articles onto this platform. You can see many of them. You can see many of these articles are getting shares. You can see this one has got 17 shares. So once you post your article onto this platform, you are going to get people to share it to another platform, and they are going to be driving free traffic to your article. As I scroll, you can see this one has got 60 shares. You can see a lot of people have shared this particular article, so it's going to reach a lot of people, and once they read it, if there is any call to action in the article, they are going to do exactly that. So in your case, they are going to purchase the product that you are promoting. You can see this one has got 46 shares. As a score, you can see many of them. You can see this one has got 63 shares. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to post an article onto this platform so that we can get people to read it and then purchase the product that we are going to be promoting in our article. So now what we have to do is that we have to write an article and then post it onto this platform. To write an article, you don't need to write it yourself. You can use ChatGPT to write an article for you so that you can use it to promote your affiliate products. So now what we have to do is that we have to instruct ChatGPT to write the article for us. So just type whatever that you want ChatGPT to write. So in this case, I'm just going to type top 10 relationships tips every woman should know. So something like this. The product is a relationship product for women. So what we have to do is that we have to write an article related to women so that we can get the right people to click through our link and then purchase the product. When you come here, you can see his secret obsession. The product is going to help women to improve their relationships. So it is not for men, so it's for only women. So we have to write an article related to women so that we can get the right people to click through our link and then purchase the product. So once you have your instruction right here, the next step is that you are going to click on enter so that ChatGPT can write the article for you. As you can see, it is about to write, so let's wait for it. You can see it has started writing. You can see the tips. As you can see, everything is going to write a full article for us. Let's wait for it to finish writing the article. As you can see, it is still writing. So what we have to do is that we have to find an image so that we can add it to our article. To find an image, we are going to search for this website, pexels.com. This website allows you to download free stock photos and then videos. There's not going to be any copyright strike against you. You can use them for whatever purpose that you want. In this case, we want to use it in our article, so you can just search for any image and then use it for free. Just type relationship so that we can find images of relationships. So just type something like that. Once you type relationships, you can see different images that you can use. As you can see, a whole lot of them. You can use any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to use this particular image, so just click on it so that you can download it. Once you click on it, you are going to select free download so that it will be downloaded onto your device. As you can see, it is downloading. It has finished downloading. Once that is done, you are going to come back on ChatGPT. You can see it has finished writing our article. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you are going to copy the title of your article. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on themilk.com. Once you come back, you are going to click on create post so that you can publish your article onto the platform. Once you click on create post, the first step is that you are going to upload an image. We have already downloaded an image, so just click right here so that you can upload your image onto the platform. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, I have uploaded a wrong image right here, and this is the image that we are going to be using, so just don't worry about that. Once you have your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here next. Once you click on next, you are going to paste the title of your article right here, so just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to copy and paste the body of your article right here. So you are going to come back on ChatGPT and then highlight everything. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is your article. You can see everything. Let me scroll for you to see. You can see your article right here. As you can see all the steps, you can see everything. So now once you have your article, the next step is that you are going to include your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Digistore24. Once you come back, you are going to highlight and copy this particular link. In case you are new to the product, you are going to see something like promote now. So just click on it so that you can get a link like this. Highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for this particular website, bit.ly.com. Once you are on the website, you have to scroll down. Just scroll down to the button and then paste your link right here. Just paste it. Once you paste your link, you are going to click right here shorten so that you can shorten the link. As you can see, it has been shortened. Once that is done, you are going to click right here copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come right here and then type a call to action right here. So just type something like copy and paste this link to get access to more relationship tips and advice. Something like this, tips and advice. So once you have your call to action like this, you are going to paste the link that you copied from bit.ly. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, you are going to delete this portion. Just delete this portion so that this website will not detect that it is a link. This link will work. So let me just copy it and then paste it for you to see that it will actually work. Let me paste it on a new tab so that you can see that it is working. I have pasted it. You can see it right here. Press enter. You can see it is going to direct us to the product landing page. As you can see, this is the product landing page, so it is working. Once you know that it is working, then the next step is that you are going to tag your article. So you are going to type something like relationships. Just type something like relationships. So you can see it right here. Just click on it. The next thing is dating. You can just click on it. Love, just click on it. So you can add as many tags that you want. So you can just type something like dating tips, so something like this. You can see, so you can add as many tags that you want. Once you add your tags, the next step is that you are going to select the category of your article. So just scroll down and then find the right category of the article that you are promoting. So just scroll down and then select the category. As you can see, ours is relationships. Once that is done, you can also select another category that is related to the product. So you can just scroll down and then select any of the categories. As you can see, many categories. So you just scroll down and then see if you can find a different category. So you can see others. You can even scroll down and then select as many as you want. Let's add parenting. This is just my choice. If you want, you can select any of them that you want. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here the images. You don't want to use this one, so you have to change the image. I made a mistake and uploaded this image, so we are going to change it. To change the image, what you have to do is that you have to come back to step 1. Just click on it and then drag this one, place it right here. As you can see, I've deleted the first one. So once you have your image like this, you can just click on next and then move back to where we are. As you can see, this is the image. You can add a title to your image if you want. You can also come right here and then give a description to the image, but I don't want to do that. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the image. So just click on the star button right here. Once you click, you can see the image is going to be featured image. Make sure you always select it. Once you select it, you have your article, you have your affiliate link right here. The next step is that you are going to scroll down, click on next. Once you click on it, you can see this is the preview of your article. You can see everything. So in case there is any correction that you need to make, you can just read through and then make that correction. You can see everything. The most important thing is that our link is right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, finish, so that your article will be submitted onto the website. So just click right here, finish, so that your article will be submitted onto the platform. Once you click on finish, you can see right here, thank you for your submission. Our editors will review it shortly. So your article is going to be reviewed. Once it is reviewed, they are going to publish it onto this website so that you can get people to read it and then make a pages of the product that you are promoting. So make sure you publish a lot of different articles onto this platform so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link without paying for anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.